nakikita po ang visit ninyo sa Naga City in the lens of politics. Are you open to forging an alliance with Naga City Mayor Lenny Robredo for 2020
Alam mo, hindi
elections?
namin pinag-uusapan yun. Alam mo, I think the mayor will agree with me na servisyo muna bago politika. The most political thing that we did today, I wore my pink socks. My pink socks in honor of Mayor Lenny.
President, may nagsasabi po kasi na yung pagbisita nyo daw po dito ay sagot dun sa pagdedeklara ni Vice President Sara.
We have been planning this for a few months already. Because talagang naging critical ito eh. Especially with the storms that came in. Servisyo muna bago politika. Marami pang kailangan gawin. Marami pa kaming kailangan gawin.
Mr.
So, we will get to that. Aabot din tayo dun.